that would be at.
I think the closest one's in Buffalo.
And then Terry wouldn't give me a location.
Sorry.
And,
Okay.
He said they were going to be gone for a couple of days.
Okay. All right, I'm going to call an ADA real quick because this is a sensitive thing. I got to make sure I get the right answer, okay? Unfortunately, so you got an order of protection?
I'm working on it.
Okay. Okay.
They were about closed.
Because I can't, because orders can't be enforced unless they're served to the other party too. But this whole like him just coming and Cody running out regardless.
Plan this.
Yeah, like well, the issue that's what I need to call the ADA about. Like if he goes out of state and stuff like that, then it becomes another issue. You know what I mean? So let me make a phone call and then I'll get back to you. All right?
Okay.
Hello, this is Mike Pisco.
Hi, Mike. It's Officer Cannell with the Town of Ellicott Police.
How's it going?
I'm good. I had I have an incident I have a question about.
Okay.
So it's a custody dispute. The child's father was at the house. The 11-year-old son, I guess, ran out to his truck, and they have now left. The father was on the phone when I got here. He said that they were going on a trip. The mom has said that there is supervised visitations through family court and stuff.
Okay.
And, so there's an arrangement there. But he didn't say he's going out of state or anything. He just said he's going on a trip. The son told his mom that they were going to Dave & Buster's, wherever that may be. The closest one I know of is in Buffalo, I think. So I'm just kind of looking for advice, which direction to go. Because, it's his dad, you know what I mean?
Yeah, so I'm sorry, is the mother upset that this is outside of the scheduled visitation?
Yeah, because the father just came. I got called. It was 8:51, and it says the child's father just came to the house and picked up 11-year-old son. Let me read. The caller states he only has court-ordered supervised visitation with him.
Okay.
There was another incident down at Falconer School earlier today. I guess he was like yelling at the mom or something through the car, but he didn't threaten her or anything.
3-5, go ahead.
So she's trying to get an order of protection, but hasn't got one yet. So that's not an option either.
Stillwater Creek with. So there's no. What is she arguing is the crime?
That's what I mean. It's like. That's what I was just kind of confused about, because she's like, well, she thinks that he kidnapped him, but the kid ran out of the house apparently and got in the truck. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I don't. Based on what you're saying, arguably it could potentially be criminal contempt if there is a visitation order, but
okay,
that would still be something that they would take up with family court. I presume that those proceedings are still ongoing.
I'm assuming so, yeah, as far as I know. And we're, just as a town police department, we don't do family court enforcement. We leave that up to the family court.
Yeah, this sounds like it would be more appropriate for her to file. Unless we find out that something more has happened.
Mm-hmm.
My concern is he might have supervisory visitation, but if he has joint custody, then, I don't think that, making a criminal complaint out of this is tenuous at best.
Okay. Would you like to talk to her a little bit and get more information? Would that be helpful?
If she wants to speak, I'm happy to.
Okay.
I just don't think, without an order of protection,
right.
I think the only recourse would be to file an emergent application in family court.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm going to ask real quick if they have joint custody. Lindsay, do you both of you guys have custody, or is it joint, or just you?
I have my lawyer on the phone.
Okay. It's
Pete Military.
Pete Pillitary. Okay. Hi, Pete. This is Officer Cannell of the Elkett Police Department.
Hey, how you doing tonight?
I'm good. I'm on the phone with Mike Pisco as well, sir.
Okay, so we were in court yesterday, and Judge Sullivan made it very clear that the order was going to be that Mr. Franson was going to have access one time a week, or 2 times a week for a maximum of 2 hours each time in safe exchange.
Mm-hmm.
And that Lindsay had placement of them. So, I mean, I don't know what happened tonight, but I mean, there's no question that the child should not be with Mr. Franson at all.
Right. Did you hear that, Mr. Pisco?
Yeah, but Pete, he might not have the right to visit the child right now. I'm trying to determine what crime he committed. Part of the problem why the last time we charged him with criminal contempt was, one, he was there and he was refusing to turn the child over, and I have a copy of the court order that required him to turn the child over at 5 p.m. I don't have anything right now that would indicate he's clearly violated any court order.
Well,
I don't
that's
have
what
access to the family court docket.
So I think Lindsay has a copy of the family court order with her. I emailed it to her yesterday, but it's clear that he has supervised access at Safe Exchange, and that's his only access at this time.
All right. Would you mind, Pete, forwarding me a copy of that? Can you do that now, or are you not?
I can't do that now, but I know that Lindsay, my office emailed her yesterday. She has in her possession, I don't know if she can do that, but there's no question the order is very clear, signed by Sullivan, that he has supervised access, and that's it at Safe Exchange, no other time at this point. Lindsay, are you able to do that?
Yeah, I have it.
Can you email it to Mr. Pisco?
Yes, I can.
Pete, how did the prior criminal contempt charge get wrapped up in IDV?
I'm sorry, what was that?
How did the prior criminal contempt get resolved in IDV yet, or?
My understanding, well, there's a different from the other mother. I heard that potentially he's on probation, an IP maybe or something. I don't know, so I'm not privy to that.
What's the email?
What's the email, sir?
I'll say it and then I'll spell it. It's piscom@chqgov.com. So P as in Peter, I as in Igloo, S as in Samantha, K as in Kite, O as in Oscar, M as in Michael, at chqgov.com.
chqgov.com.
CHQ?
Yep.
CHQ.
gov.com.
gov.com. And it's sent from Lindsay.Grover.
Alright, it's sent from Grover, you said?
Lindsay Grover.
Lindsay Grover.
Okay.
That's my email.
Okay. So he just, because he told me that too. He was going on a trip
For a couple days.
The father told you that?
Yeah.
He wouldn't give me a location.
3825.
Bring our lines and speak the caller. Calling information.
That's where everything should be.
Lane?
I haven't gotten anything.
Can I?
I don't
I don't know. For some reason, it hasn't been.
You want to go to your email? Make sure. Go to your.
Please verify your email address.
Yep. So you got to go here. Verify me. Sorry, I didn't mean to just grab
No,
your
you're
phone.
fine. I don't. It's okay.
Okay, I just got it.
There we go.
Yeah.
Property in Warren. So he could be headed that direction too.
Trying to verify his order first.
What was? How did he end up just sneaking out? Did he just?
He said he had to grab something on the inside porch.
Oh, and then he just ran out the front door.
Yep.
Did you see him running away and yell for him, try to stop him,
He
or?
texted me and said, "I'm with Dad,"
Oh,
and I.
Does he still have Turi's cell phone?
Yes. And I
That's
was I ordered a new phone on my line, and I was gonna switch out the phones with limited access, parental access, or whatever.
Okay, I'm comfortable with this. With if you can find and arrest him, charging him with criminal contempt second.
okay. Alright, I'll probably have to attempt to ping his phone because he's not telling us where he's at. Hopefully we can find him that way, and then we'll have that charge for him.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, unfortunately, this is not the first time I've had dealings with Mr. Franson. He clearly has no regard for court orders, so.
Right.
And Mike, just so you know, he was in court, an IDV court, Monday afternoon. My understanding is he may have been put on some type of probation. And, so, I mean, this is something that I don't know what will happen other than that, but I know he took Cody to court Monday afternoon. I know Judge Cass wasn't thrilled with that and did something about that. So, I don't know where everything is. I'm not privy to what happened Monday afternoon, but he was actually there, and he was put on some type of probation is what my understanding is.
Yeah, I'm looking at my notes, and so my notes aren't clear, but it does. From what I can tell, it does indicate he was released to the supervision of probation, and it was adjourned to October 23rd.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think he was remanded into, again, probation supervision, which he should be based on the charge. So
Sure.
he might be in violation of some of his terms and conditions of probation as well.
Yeah, I'm sure he would. All right, well, I sorry everyone to go through this tonight, but hopefully you guys will be able to find him. And
Well, yeah, I mean, if there's a child involved, we should be able. You know what phone provider he has?
It's I'm not sure. Maybe AT&T.
Maybe AT&T. Well, if I can ping his phone, they should be able to kind of find out a general area for him. He drives a silver Tundra.
Gray Toyota Tundra.
Yeah.
It's almost like silver black.
Okay.
I might have his plate. I don't know. Because he was following me the one day.
Okay.
The back window shield of that pickup truck has something like ITS, Southern Tier ITS. It's like printed on the top of the back window shield as well.
It's
Of the pickup.
You said ITS?
I think it's Southern Tier ITS.
Okay. Okay. Alrighty.
All right.
I think I'm okay for now. I'll just do a domestic incident report here and probably apply for a warrant for him then.
All right, sounds good. If you need anything else from me, just give me a call.
All right. Thank you very much, sir.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Pete.
All right. You're welcome. Take care.
You too.
Here's your
Bye-bye.
phone back.
Bye.
Paul, come here. Can you come here? They are gonna arrest him.
If we can find one, tell him he's got.
It's either AT&T or Straight Talk.
Okay.
He's got property.
Got communication?
Hey, it's Ganell Elkit.
Yes, sir.
Could you guys do me a solid and try to ping a phone for me?
Uh-oh. What do we got here?
Is it the 489 number? Is that his number? 489-1892.
Let me just double check here.
I took a picture of his.
Yeah.
What's the number?
716-489-1892.
And whose name?
Thur Franzen. He has his. How old is Cody?
11 years old.
He has his 11-year-old son with him, and he's not supposed to be.
Is he in some kind of mortal danger, or?
There's a family. There's a family court order. I just got off the phone with ADA Pisco. He said to charge him with criminal contempt second. So the parents are. My caller here is supposed to have Cody in her custody, not him. So we need to try to find him and get him back.
Should be able to work with that. Do you know? Does she know what service he has?
She said AT&T or Straight Talk.
Hopefully it's AT&T.
I hope so.
All right.
Alrighty,
We'll
sir.
hop on that, and we'll let you know, sir.
Alrighty, thank you very much.
Sure thing.
Bye, bye.
Bye.
Did you find his plate or no?
I'm looking for
Does this happen? Hello, sir.
Hey, sorry, I was going through Francen's other court file.
Mhm.
There is actually a full stay-away order of protection that was entered on the 2nd of October, signed by Judge Cass.
Okay. Was that served to him?
He was served in court.
Huh. Then I checked. They didn't find any. Okay. So we'll do 2 counts of contempt then, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that you were aware of that.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. All right.
Alrighty, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Take care.
Yep. Bye. Okay.
Wondering, I think the answer is that
2138.
What time did he? Because he called at 8:51. Did he leave right before that?
Yes.
Like
8:47.
okay.
8:43 maybe.
Then he has a cell phone. That's how he talks to him.
Yeah. He just bought it for him. And I didn't want to take away the phone until I had one.
For
him.
yeah.
No, I can't find it. I can't find that picture. Remember, Terry drove by me fast and I was separate.
I'll pitch you the
I
truck.
can't find it. Is it had the...
Are you able to forward that copy of that family court?
Yeah.
To my email as well?
Yep.
Dispatch has been updated.
I might have the plate number. Do you want it?
Yeah.
KMZ 8200.
Yep.
Why am I difficult to say this?
Dispatch has been updated.
Who is Kristen Franzen?
That's his wife, soon to be ex-wife.
Okay.
She has the same issues.
Were you guys married at one point?
No,
Okay. Just share a kid.
just that sheriff.
Mm-hmm.
30. 520, call the lighthouse in with New York Kilo Bravo Charlie 7134.
It's a 2019 Toyota Tundra.
Yep.
42.
What's your email?
It's Beaganel. So
Sorry?
Beaganel. So if you can read this,
Oh.
it's all lowercase. So
Uh-huh.
at townofellkit.com.
All spelled out.
Yep. So if you can read this, it's just all that.
Town.
Yeah, but not that. So it's at just that.
Okay.
It's the last part.
Outlet kit. Sorry, I can't.
Yeah, it's small.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good.
Just want to make sure you spell it. That was .com.
Yep. What is his address, do you know?
Turi's?
Mm-hmm.
7 Meadow Street.
It is, okay. Lakewood?
Yes.
Stand by.
Can I use the restroom?
Absolutely, yeah.
Thank you.
Say that he comes back on a 2008 Chevy, color gray, got the same VIN number. Service with Tyler Manelick of Canton, Ohio. It's valid. It's due to expire 12/7 of 2023. Time for a new check logos will be driver status. Yeah. Stay by. Three five will be out the J cars. $21.45.
The heck?
I'm not sure if you got it.
Connection lost.
What's that?
I'm not sure if you got it.
I have not, yeah.
It says something wasn't found. I
Connection restored.
don't know.
Oh, there's two L's.
2 L's. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Available. 98 warning.
Is 397-7091 still your number?
Yes.
There we go. Lindsay, I'm sorry, there's just some stuff I gotta ask you real quick. I mean, I know you didn't talk to him, but I still have to ask. I mean, did he make you fearful? 'Cause,
Terry?
yeah.
Yeah.
How?
The way he was talking to me.
Okay.
Swerving in front of your car.
Does he have access to guns?
Yes.
But he sends messages like, it's not going to end well for you. And
Okay.
all kinds of stuff. Even the last couple of days, just you can take it a lot of different ways, but we know how it's meant.
What kind of guns does he have?
I'm not sure. I think they're, I really don't know.
Okay. Tonight, did he make any threats to you?
No.
What's that? What did he put on there? That
What?
Facebook. Remember?
He didn't make threats to me
Well, it
on
said-
the phone.
I know, but it was about Cody. But he said, this is going to be a sad day. My family and friends better prepare.
Oh, I'll pull it up. It was co-registered guns from his dad.
Yes,
I don't know what
she
they
doesn't know
are.
what they
Okay.
317 Meagle.
I know you guys don't like Facebook, but to repost it. Unfortunately, it's going to be a sad on a whole new level for us all soon. I hope my friends and family are prepared.
Okay. When did he post that?
When?
Well, yeah.
Today
This
at
afternoon.
about 2:30,
Okay.
and that was when he came around the corner at the school looking for Cody. Or I don't know what he was doing, but he was at the school today.
What's Cody's last name?
Fransen, Fransen.
And his middle initial?
L.
I don't mean to be nosy. How did he end up with the last name Franzen?
Fransen.
Yeah.
Cody.
Yeah. Is that his last name? Oh, yeah, okay, I
Yeah,
apologize.
both their names are Fransen.
And he lives here?
Yes. I have placement.
Okay. What's Cody's phone number?
716-490-5375. Cody's number.
And his date of birth?
December 26, 2011.
What's his name?
Him?
Yeah,
Paul.
Paul. Hey, Paul, what's your last name, sir?
What's that?
What's your last name, sir?
Constantine. Constantine.
A middle initial for you?
M.
And you live here as well?
Yes.
Are you guys married?
Yes.
Manawak has a permit only.
What's a good phone number for you, Paul?
716-969-5772.
And a date of birth for you?
3/30/1966.
Ready? Have you guys had domestics in the past?
Would you say we had nothing?
Anything documented with police or anything? No.
Besides the last couple days.
Mm-hmm. Alright, I gotta ask you a couple more questions here. Has he ever threatened to kill you or your children?
35 neighborhood, you should be clear.
Strangled or choked you?
No.
Beaten you while you were pregnant?
No.
Dispatch has been
Is he
updated.
capable of killing you or your children?
I'm sorry?
Is he capable of killing you or your children?
Yes.
Is he violently and constantly jealous of you?
Yes.
Has the physical violence increased in frequency or severity over the past 6 months?
Physical?
Mm-hmm.
Not physical, but the mental and the
Mm-hmm.
other stuff
Yeah.
has definitely upticked. Well, it's been since Kristen and him got a divorce. Or since they split.
Yeah. It's been worse since February.
J1, J9. But, what do you need? Just start getting reported out a little bit, we cleared the rest. Just send it to me. Nothing.
I gotta grab a statement from you, Lindsay, right?
Dispatch has been updated.
he have any family or anything out towards Cattaraugus County? No.
Please,
20 in Ward with New York, Kilo Echo Bravo 7992.
Excuse me.
2159.
Just should have done it. I knew we should have done it. We didn't. Don't forget all of it. But don't forget there's some other actions that are paid by the court. Just go. No, absolutely. Who knows? Already know. They've had their trip planned.
He's really, really dying to see him. I'm just seeing out here.
He's not lucky to do
Well,
that.
what's better than driving alone?
Yeah, well, that's his one. Well, we know he isn't following any rule forever. Thinks he can do whatever he wants.
Well, I called a while and he hasn't called us up. He's like,
Because he knew he wasn't. Because he knew he didn't have to.
he knew what he was doing.
It's all premeditated. It's nervous, you know?
No comment on it.
It's going to be a sad day. I know.
Because he deleted it.
Yeah.
Screenshot it. He has no idea how unstable he
No,
is.
he doesn't. It's not his fault. He listens, but he banged. Still, she sits at that place. I told him, listen, if you're glad to see you, tries to see you, it's probably going to make you think of it. So just let kind deep support for you, and that's what he says. So if you run into your appointment, if you go see him, he wants to see you, and if you say yes, if you don't, your dad's only going to get in more trouble. So you will be getting your dad in more trouble by going. You should tell him, no, let's do what we're supposed to do. See how this is not a lot to do.
Three, 1-3 Mabel. 1-3.
I have next available to my location. It's going to be for a 2018 Ford Escape Suburban. Heavy front end damage. They're requesting it be towed to City of Jamestown also.
Cover. Stay back. 230. 317, 313 direct.
Traffic in the area, but I'll cross our meeting road to Central City, the alarm.
So when was this, the custody order issued? Was it the 3rd?
Yesterday.
Yesterday? Yep.
And he told me that he won anyways.
After the court was over?
And then you heard him, that's what he called it, was ransom.
Yeah.
Because he has to pay a $25 orientation fee. Why?
Oh, really?
Oriented to do the visitation.
Oh.
He's calling that a ransom.
Calling that a
So
ransom.
the other child that he has had that same order since August 7th, and he hasn't made any attempt to see the child there.
Okay.
He
He's
said,
younger.
looks like I won again. He was giving me a hard time about giving me his stuff. He did drop it off, then he kind of went head on at me for a minute and swerved out of the way yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
And he said, I'm torn. If I don't show up to probation, they may take me anyways. On the other hand, I always strive to provide for my son. Is this the choice you give me?
5-9, go ahead. 5-2 is going to handle the transport. We'll be 9-8 with the 106.
He was so drunk
Do you
2
love
Saturdays
your
ago,
Floyd?
we had to leave town in Erie at lunch to go pick Cody up to bring him to Pine Valley to a football game. He doesn't show up to any of his games.
Mm-hmm.
He doesn't take them to practice.
He's mentally
The
ill.
awards ceremony when he won the Most Improved Player of the Year, he didn't take him. We were there waiting, and he didn't bring him. It's just he's missing out on so much stuff, kid stuff.
Right.
He also said, "Do you love your son enough to give up yet? Or are you ready to sever every and all connections you have left?"
Just when did he tell you that?
Yesterday at 12:54 p.m.
Yeah, see, and I take that as,
Dispatch has been updated.
sever everything.
Hi, is this Thur? Officer Elgin, Ellicott Police Department.
How's it going?
I'm good. Would you be able to just stop somewhere and have another agency at least check on Cody?
Yeah, I mean, if they really want to, I mean, I can put out an APB, whatever you gotta do. What'd be a good place?
What's that, sir?
I said where or when, I guess would be a good place.
Well, I mean, you're obviously driving right now. Like, is there somewhere you could stop close by? I don't know where you're at, but...
I'm headed to the city. I have...
You mean New York City, you mean?
Yeah, I'm staying at the embassy.
Okay. Is there somewhere you could stop, like, now, I mean?
I plan on just literally turning around tomorrow and coming right back.
Okay.
He just wanted to see the city, so he kind of wanted to hitch a ride and
Right.
go for a drive. So
Okay. I mean, so I'm assuming you're probably like on 86 then, right? If you're going to the city.
yeah, I'm headed out that way.
Okay.
If you want to have somebody pull me over, you can even do that. You know?
Oh, well, I mean, what,
You want to hear his voice? I mean, do you want to talk?
Hi, Cody.
1-3, he's going to be in
Here, he can hear you.
You might have some info in the hospital
Hi, Cody. How you doing, buddy?
as well.
I'm good. Is there like a rest station or something you could stop at, possibly?
I mean, I'm actually asking the scenic overlook right now, but it's probably going to be
307 or 313 direct.
It's going to be what? I'm sorry.
I said it might take somebody. How long would it take for an officer to get down here? What's a good place? What do you guys have out here?
Well, I mean, I could just contact an agency that's near your location. You know what I mean?
That's fine. Let me see where I'm at here. Next marker. Right now. I know we're past Cuba Lake at least.
Okay.
I'm not really sure where we are, to be honest with you. Hold on, we're coming up to a thing. Finger Lakes region, Cornell, Hartford, familiar?
The Finger Lakes area, you said?
Yeah, Finger Lakes.
Okay. Is there an exit or something, maybe?
And there's tons of exits. And do I have to sit here forever, or how's that work?
You shouldn't have to. I should be able to just get a hold of somebody and come out to you relatively soon.
Where's that number thing? Very good update number.
This badge has been updated.
And if I can meet them at like a free exit or something that's down my path, that would be the best. I already have a hotel booked and everything.
Right.
Here we go. It's exit 34AD.
34AD?
Yeah, 34AD says on it. So, but I'm already passing that. I mean, it's going to count down after that, like 34, 35.
Well,
how's that work?
Right. What I'm asking is, like, could you get off at an exit, get to like a gas station, and just like wait for a couple minutes?
Yeah, I mean, I can get off right here at Hornell.
You're getting off at Hornell?
34, I think it's A. But,
Okay. Is there like a rest stop or something there?
it says a mobile diesel stop.
Okay.
Look, I'm getting off right here. Let's see. Yeah, I guess what is the issue? Did she say what the issue is, or?
Well, she just concerned because of the family court stuff, and she's just concerned for Cody's well-being. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, I assure you, he's in good health.
Right. And no one's
He's a willing participant. So.
no one's denying that. We're just, we just need to check on him and.
Yeah, I didn't sneak in and steal him. I promise you, sir.
Right.
I mean, there's really nothing out here. Everything's dark, and there's a Days Inn. There's a Ford dealership, and an Aldi's. That's all. Everything has their lights off.
Okay.
I mean,
If you wanted to just like wait at the Aldi's, I could get a hold of somebody real quick after I hang up with you.
how about this? Let them know that I'm at Simmons Rockwell.
Okay.
And I'll just sit right out front there.
All right, perfect. I will let them know.
Hopefully I'm the only Toyota in the lot, you know what I mean?
Right. Simmons Rockwell. And you said you got off
Simmons Rockwell.
the Hornell exit, right?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well, thank you, sir. Just give us a few minutes, okay?
All right, sounds good.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye. Hey, it's Gnell Elkett.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
Checking to see if you can verify Devin F. Smith, if you guys still have a warrant for him.
I'm doing something right at the moment. Could you have Sam try?
Yeah, I tried to call the station and it just rolls back to us.
Oh, do you have Sam Robinson's number? He's my partner tonight.
I think he might be. I think that might be him. Yep, he's calling right now.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Nope, hold on. I need something from you.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
I'm doing this custody dispute. The guy took the kid. They're pinging the phone.
Oh, geez, I'm sorry.
You're good.
I thought you were Lakewood calling.
No.
Yeah, I got you. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm on the right page now. I'm doing too many things.
Oh, I know. We're all busy tonight. I talked to the suspect, Thur. He said he pulled off the Hornell 34A exit. He's waiting at Simmons Rockwell Ford.
Devin Smith. Middle initial S. Okay. The last thing we had him for was out of Beebe Road and Smith Road.
Okay.
Between Friendship and Cuba.
Okay. Yeah, he said he was on 86 because he was going to the city to bring his son there, but I was able to get him to pull over at the Hornell exit and he said he's going to wait at the Simmons Rockwell Ford. If we could have somebody.
Too many people are talking.
Sorry.
Okay. All right, try that. You got him to pull over at the Hornell exit.
Right. The Simmons Rockwell Ford.
Rockwell Ford.
In Hornell.
Okay.
That's where he said he said he'll wait till somebody can come check on him. But obviously I didn't tell him the truth because we do have charges for him.
Telling him that they're doing a well-being check for the child or something, so he does not know.
Yeah, I didn't.
Getting arrested.
Right. I didn't want to tell. I'm not going to tell him he's going to get arrested. He's not going to stop. You know.
Yep. All right. Okay. We'll get a hold of the guys out there and have them swing on over.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Very good.
All right. Yep. Let me know. Bye. Okay. Hopefully, he waits for him.
If he's there.
Well,
Hope he is.
I mean, it adds up to where. I mean, I looked that up,
It does. I don't trust him.
but there's an active ping on his phone too, so they're still. Which I didn't want to tell him that either because then he'd shut his phone off.
Right.
All right. Sorry about that. I know you're probably cold, and grab this statement from you, and then I can get back and do my warrant application for him.
What'd you say? Is that Alvin's cat?
So he went to the front porch, and then he just texted you a couple minutes later. He said he's with his dad.
Yeah.
Said, I'm going to Dave and Buster's.
Dispatch has been
Okay.
That's what he said.
Going to Dave and Buster.
I'm free.
He just doesn't understand.
No. It's not his fault.
Jefferson Street that I just.
I'm sorry. What?
He said at 8:49.
Okay,
I'm with my dad. I'm free. I'm going to Dave and Buster's because his dad tells him that I'm imprisoning him.
Of course he does.
Dispatch has been
He really thought he was a lawyer. Cody did.
Thought that Thur was a lawyer.
No.
No, that he is.
Oh,
Terry went to court
Terry
in
convinced him.
cut off shirt and sandals, and Cody was dressed in a suit. And we were hiding in the room because we knew he was going to be there, and took Cody out of school.
Cass knew
And he
he
goes,
was
"Yeah,
there.
I've got my attorney with me." And then Cody really thought that he had
He
passed the
believed
bar.
he passed the bar.
They
and he was
talked
a lawyer.
about it, and he was the lawyer because Terry
It's
told him
so-
that he did.
yeah, that's very
It's so
not right. But my ADA said Judge Cass wasn't fond of that. So
Okay.
they-
No, so he did it. The did it 2 weeks ago, and Kristen texted me because she was there for
Both of you guys need to sign up there.
court.
Mm-hmm.
So I went there. They pulled Cody out of the courtroom and gave him to me.
Okay.
This time, Terry told me that that's his lawyer and he's taking him to court, so I'm not bringing him back to you. And I said, you're not taking him to court. So he pulled him out of school, took him to court.
Domestic violence court.
Domestic
11-year-old
violence.
is not going to be anywhere near any of that stuff. He should be at school,
Right.
playing football.
Doing 11-year-old things.
Yeah,
Yeah, and he's so...
he's got them all in
So Judge Cass actually had the officers take me into the chambers to retrieve Cody while the proceeding was going on. It was very...
How was Cody when he was with you? Was he fine? Like,
Yeah, like he was told yesterday that he was going to have visits at the Y with his dad. For now, it wasn't like a permanent thing till Dad can get straightened out a little bit. And so his dad told him that I took him away from him. And,
So he's been a little crappy with us. But everybody, football coaches, teachers, we've talked to his teachers, they can all tell when he's been at his dad's.
yeah.
When he goes back to school, because he's a little shit. And, you know, same thing here. It takes him a couple days to...
Reacclimate and get, yeah.
Because over there, he doesn't have to brush his teeth. He doesn't have to
Yeah,
brush
there's
his
no
hair. He doesn't
structure
have to
over
do
there,
that. He
just-
can do anything he wants.
Okay.
So, yeah, we make him brush his teeth, and we're the bad guys.
Right. And that's, and you guys know, obviously, that's their talking to him and trying to get him to come to his side, and you know what I mean?
So Saturday I called Cody and I was like, Cody, we're making spaghetti dinner tomorrow. What time can you come over? What time can your dad bring you tomorrow? His dad's like, you're not going over there. You have court this week. We have things to take care of. You're my lawyers. And then Cody goes, yeah, I'm my dad's lawyer. And I'm like, Cody, you're not a lawyer. And we are having dinner tomorrow. So I would like you to come home tomorrow.
Right.
But Terry refused to let me get him. Yeah, and he said he's now my attorney. He will represent my family name, and he'll also be representing me in court battle against you and your attorney for full custody.
So is he going to pull over somewhere then?
He said he pulled over,
At Rockwell Simmons.
at the Ford dealer off of in Hornell.
So they just said,
They sent a
just
Allegheny
let him
County
check
car there, hopefully. I didn't tell him that he's going to be arrested. I just told him, like, we just need to check on Cody, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because
I figured they would tell.
I'm not hitting you.
So the police there are going to arrest him?
yeah, they should put him in custody, and then hopefully we can get him back here somehow, and then I'll take him up to jail.
What about,
Hopefully.
What about
Cody?
Cody?
That we'll have to figure out. I don't know. They might have another unit that can transport him back this way. Or, I mean, would you guys be willing to go get him, maybe?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I mean, we'll kind of cross that bridge, hopefully, when we come to it, and then go from there.
Ten and 5, 10 and Maynard.
5-7.
Is the caller inside the house?
That's 10 clear.
One there, so.
J1.
620 UPMC.
J1 on time, still 22, 21.
Did you see Thur's truck? Or no?
Did I see it? No, I heard it.
Oh, you heard it?
Yeah. It was funny because I was in the kitchen and I heard it. And then when I was like, I got the text and I heard the truck. And I ran out and I could just hear it driving over. Because it has a distinct sound.
Okay.
$10.60, please.
Did you call Cody after he texted you? Is that when I got here? You were on the phone. Well, because you got here, you were on the phone with Thur.
Yeah, because...
But it was on Cody's phone.
Was it on Cody's phone? Okay.
Yeah, at first, and then Thur, it died, and then he called back.
Yeah. I called Cody at 8:54, it looks like.
Okay.
Because I called the police first.
Okay.
And then I called Cody. He's the one that posted that his 4-year-old was missing last week.
Dispatch has been updated.
17.
Made contact with the Johnson. And we're trying to bring the trailer. Is the cow still alive or is it deceased?
The cow is 10-7.
Do you want an order of protection for you and Cody?
Yes.
Do you want a stay away or refrain from?
Just
Refrain from is just refrain from like harassment, things of that nature. Stay away is a full stay.
Stay away.
Okay. And some guys have gotten in trouble. I'm like, if you don't want one, I don't have to write it. I'm just gonna write it in the statement. So when the judge sees it, it's done. I mean, you don't have to though. It's an option.
no,
You want one?
He's just getting worse and worse.
I'll have you read this. If you can see, you probably can. You want to you can sit here if you want to swap.
Oh, that's alright. I can.
Okay. And if you want me to add anything, I can. Excuse me. Sound okay? Mm-hmm. Did you read both pages?
I did.
Okay.
Two.
Yep.
Not three. Okay.
If I could just get 2 signatures on those X's, and then actually on the second page along this line too, this wiggle.
judge would have to sign off on that.
Yeah, I'm gonna call her right now.
Oh, okay.
Get her warrant signed for him. I also have to just finish up doing a domestic incident report for you because you guys have a child in common. It makes it a domestic incident. I just have to add a narrative to this real quick. I'm going to print you off a copy and then I'll give you a copy, okay? I'm also probably going to do a CPS referral just because I have to kind of cover my bases. I mean, I'm going to probably charge him as well with endangering because it's not okay that he came and got him. I mean, he knew that there was, he was served with the order and he just did it anyway.
It's 10 o'clock at night,
Right. You know, I mean, he's got school in the morning, like, it's not okay. And then he's apparently driving to New York City at, again, 10 o'clock at night. And, you know.
He never said anything about vacation.
Right. So, and it's just going to be against him. I mean, CPS might come and just talk to you, and just in case. But, I mean, obviously I could tell by talking to both of you that nothing's, you know, wrong here. It's him that's the problem.
Yeah.
Just
The CPS has been called out before, and they've called me and had to ask a bunch of questions and check the home.
And I'm sure they probably might want to again, depending on whatever they decide. I mean, just something to be mindful for in the future. So you're welcome to hang out inside. I know it's kind of,
my phone for a minute.
and then I will be in with this copy. Okay.